How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. My buddy Vang here. It's a later intro because earlier it was kind of windy, so I didn't want to risk with the horrible audio and everything. But today we're out here fishing for bass, right? Largemouth, smallmouth, maybe white bass later. I don't know. It's our first time fishing for bass in this new boat. I'd never really fished this area before, so we're definitely gonna be dragging tubes, swim baits, drop shot, just finesse stuff. Maybe we go pick some weeds and all that for largemouth, smallmouth, or pike, whatever. Yeah, with that being said, stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already out in the water, so let's catch some fish. When in doubt, tube it out. Maybe you gotta fish slower. I had to rinse out this live well anyways. It's freaking disgusting. Gross. Got him. Nope. Oh, that's a nice bass actually. You can walk my down. And I turned on the live well. See how hard they fight? So cool. Hey. Yeah. Put them in the live well. Pictures. When in doubt, tube it out. Oh, not yet, Oh, yeah, I'll take it. Sorry, bro, you got chill in that nasty ass water. Nice, okay. It's a decent size, nice little high 2-pounder. Oh, I thought I had one, dude. Jeez. I thought I had one, that's why. You know when it's on, it's super heavy. Got him. Told you. Yeah. That's a big one. That's a freaking big one, dude. It's a big one. I think it's a big one. He's just fighting real hard. Oh, it's a pike. It's a pike. Dang. Yeah. I got you. Go ahead, keep fishing. Oh, it's a muskie. Oh, it's a pike. It's so colorful. Look at the color on that thing. That's so pretty. Oh, it popped off. Nice. It's a pretty fish, dude. Maybe it was a fish, right? Right. Look at the color on that thing. Wow. So cool. Yeah, like I said, I felt the really hard hit the first time. I'm like, nah, that's a fish, bro. I sat it back down and he just smoked it. Put on two, bro. Just pick up one of my rods. Look, she got him.
You went crazy after all.
I know. That's a smallie. Get in them, bro. Oh, jeez. And look at that. It just pops right off. Nice. See that? That's what I'm saying, bro. They're down there. That guy just hammered it. Yeah, they're all over here. Do you see the rocks? Look, got him. That's a nice fish. That's a smallie. Yep, that's a smallie. He's fighting like a smallie. Oh no, it's a walleye. It's a nice walleye. It's a nice walleye. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh, dude.
Pop off earlier for you.
Right. Alright guys, nice walleye I just caught here. I don't think it's 18 anyway, so I guess I'll go back in the water. Owner out there. Got him. It's a walleye. Look at that. Damn, we're crushing walleyes today. What the heck? Definitely, if it was the other lake, we'd be keeping these 15 inchers. Nice fish. It's my phone. Get a little release. Wrong species, but still fun. See ya. Oh, it's not recording. Oh, it is recording. Okay. Alright, so nice little small. If you guys don't know, you guys are new to this channel. These are smallmouth bass, aka smallies. But look at the pattern on that thing. It's super cool, super colorful. They're at that spawning pattern. They're just super like brown greenish, if that makes any sense. So enough flaring this fish, flexing it. We're gonna toss it in the water. There you go. Wish the camera just goes right in. Such a beautiful fish, and it's off. Yeah. You see him? Yeah. He's out to form. Oh, jeez, I gotta control this. What the heck? Bro, there's something wrong here. Hold on, hold on. Let him go, let him go. Hold on, I gotta control this. Wait. Bro, he look weird, dude. He like, I thought he picked it up, but he just swiped himself, dude. That's gross. He doesn't have a tail. That's gross. Look at him. Oh, jeez, what the frick? What the heck? It's a weird looking fish. It's such a weird looking fish. Ew. What the heck? He doesn't have a tail. He doesn't have a tail. No, something bit him off and he's all jacked up. He looks like my life. That's so weird. Dude, I've never seen that before. Oh, jeez. He looks like a... Ready? Go on there, Ooh. Put him up here, bro. Ew, look how big he is. Why does he... Dude, he's big. Hold this. There's something wrong with this guy. And he's huge. You know what I mean? What the... It looks gross, bro. Oh, geez, don't move. Oh, I gotta control this. What's wrong with this guy? He's missing a tail, that's what. Something's wrong with this guy. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna let this guy go. He is not. He's missing a lot of stuff. Oh, jeez. I don't want to touch him. Missing an eye. Missing. There he goes. Missing a tail. Yeah, he probably got bit. Yeah, you actually caught a fish today. Alright, so. I show myself now. I just got a swipe. Yeah, but I'm still got him. There we go. White bass. You want him? Huh? You let go, unless you want him. No, I don't really want him. I'll keep one if we get bigger ones. Yeah, those bigger ones. That's a big fish too. Hold on. There you go. Come up here. Oh, come up here so I can control. Don't let him wrap you. Keep it out. No, bring it out. Careful. Bring him out. Yep, just bring him out. Hold on. force him to come out your way. See, you let him run, now he's over there. You did say you're gonna, he wrapped you. He's out, okay, hurry. Pull.
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. Nope. That's a big fish, dude. That's a big fish. Force him out. He's smart, he's trying to take you to the docks. Yep, keep him over here. Yeah, up. He's trying to take you back in there. It's gotta be a catfish, bro.
Dude.
What the heck? I can't see him.
It's like barely there.
It's either a catfish or a flathead, something like that, dude.
Maybe I snagged it.
No. Oh no. Bring him up. Oh, what it is, yep. Tiny, yep. When he gives up, yep. Hold him back out, get him back out. Oh. Get him up. Dude, what the frick is this? Loose, Dad. Get ready to loosen. Yep. Tight, okay, yep. Control, yep. When he digs on you, let go, okay? Oh my gosh, What is this?
Fucking mall.
Yep. Okay, ready? No, reel. Yep, force it, yep. Control his head. Force him to come this way. Keep him in the middle. Okay, ready? Yeah! Dude, thing's huge.
Yeah.
Holy smoke! On the Mr. Clutch. Look at him.
I told you.
Oh my god, look at that, guys.
Ever.
He bit my finger. Oh shit.
I don't know why you lip it for.
Well, you can lip him. It's just. Jeez, look, I'm bleeding.
Oh,
yeah, it's okay. I was trying to lip. You can lip him. He's just still so strong. I'll take a picture. Let's go, dude. On the Mr. Clutch.
Oh yeah, you phone?
Yeah, I got it. He freaking bit me. Yeah, I got you. I took a lot of pictures, so. You want it?
Nah. Okay. I won't take it.
Nope.
I told you.
It's off. Good stuff, dude. I'm gonna catch that right here. Boom. Come on. Yeah? You got another one. Jeez, dude. Oh my gosh. Keep him out, yep. You know how to do it. That's another giant, bro. Gosh, keep him out. That's another giant, dude. That's a catfish, yep. Control it, yep. Just
I'll just fucking back here.
That's crazy, dude. Raise it up. Wait, force him. Yep, there you go. It's fine. Over here. Oh no, Mr. Spark. Oh jeez. He's not ready. Yeah, bring him up. Not yet, yeah. Go. Yep, now he's weak. Not too tight. Follow, yep. Raise it now, yep. There you go, good job. Oh, no, it's a female. Not yet. Right. No, turn, no, push the rod tip. Don't yank it. We're in. Good job, dude. No. It's a nice female. Good battle, dude. Another one. Say, we don't call him Mr. Clutch for no reason.
Smaller, but okay.
Still a fighter.
Yeah.
It's okay, right? 1, 2, 3. Yep, bro. Good job, dude. Being good?
Yep.
Sure. Huh? Huh?
Laying down something.
Alright.
Not making sense, baby.
I don't know if you recorded that smalley or not, but stuck a nice one. Put on manual. Got him. That's a nice one. Get the net. That's a nice one. He's fighting like a pig. Oh, we found him, dude. Oh, it's not that big. He's just a fighter. But still. Throw him in the live well. The pictures later. I don't know if he's gonna cut it. Nah, he's not gonna cut it. Still a fatty fish though. Oh, you can shut it off now. Yeah. I'm just putting auto. That's a little smallie. Not that big, but he falls so freaking hard. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up because we got all the nice fancy boulders coming out. And yeah, we don't want to be fishing that. Just unplug this. I caught myself a giant. Jeez. It's not that big, but there we go. There's the bass. It smells so good. Right? Look at the color on that thing as it changed. So cool. Catch and release. See ya, buddy.